hearing noises, and he probably was frustrated, tired, and angry. So he goes upstairs with a gun, and he ends the life of the father. He ends the life of the son, and he fled the scene. So I just did an update report on the situation, and the gunman was killed. Guys, this is in Brooklyn, New York. Do your research, check it out. So the authorities said that they identified the gunman by his license plate. As they rolled up on the gunman, he jumped out with a knife. He jumped out with a knife, and they tried to negotiate with him to put the knife down.